Okay, so let's learn a new tool. It's called the offset tool, very handy. You want to deselect. I still have those lines selected, so I'm going to press space bar and just click away so nothing is selected. The amount we are going to offset is our last value that we're going to type in exactly. It's 6 inches, not two apostrophes, but a quote symbol. So shift apostrophe will give you the inches. Think of a single foot ruler has one mark on it, but if it's inches, there's a whole bunch of little lines. So you have 2. That's inches. This is feet. Let's go back to SketchUp, and we need to orbit and look at the bottom. So I'm pushing down on the middle mouse wheel, and I'm looking at the bottom of the house. Doesn't matter exactly what angle you're at, but so that you can see the whole bottom, and I'm going to press F for offset. You can see now that it's ready to offset this bottom face. I'm going to click and release and bring the mouse in. And you can see that what that does is it creates the same exact shape, but smaller. Don't go out, that'll make it bigger. But we're going to go in, and how much? 6 inches. Shift apostrophe gives me the inches. You can see in the lower right, and that is a 6-inch offset. Now we are going to then select the shape that is that skinny one that goes all the way around. So I'm going to push-pull that face up. I'm going to orbit while this is active so I can get a good look at my house, and you need to bring it up. Don't go all the way. That would make a knife edge kind of roof, and we don't want that. So it needs to be down at least a little bit. You can make it bigger somewhere in here. It won't affect the final measurements, but it will give us a nice overhang that goes around the edge of the house. Now I clicked again, and that is now set as our 6-inch offset. So you can see that that went all the way around the house the exact same amount. So that's why when I measure, this will be 10 feet, and then these walls will be exact measurements as well. You can check it now rather than later by clicking with the tape measure tool right here and go straight down to the origin. It's why we don't want to move the house. This tells me that it is still 10 feet tall. If we go here, tape measure tool, and measure from here, you know that this wall is 29 feet. Remember, it was 6 inches off of each side, which is why this went from 30 to 29. And over here, same thing. It was going to be 22. We took 6 inches off of both of those sides, and that's going to need to be 21. So good idea to measure it now and keep an eye on those. If you accidentally move, push, pull any of those walls or lines, edges, you will end up with numbers that don't match.